The Kodiak KIP is a rechargeable mini headlamp that's rich in features. Let's take a closer look. Included in the package is the KIP, a micro USB charging cable, an adjustable headband, and a sturdy metal clip. Since the KIP is rechargeable, it's best to charge it fully before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a power bank, computer, or AC power cube. Pull back the charging port cover and plug it in. The red lights on the front change to green when charging is complete. The non-replaceable 200 mAh battery takes up to 2.5 hours for a full charge. The KIP measures 1.5 inches across by 1 1/4 inches high and 1 1/4 inches deep. It weighs just under an ounce, so it's very comfortable to wear for extended periods. This headlamp features 4 white light modes, plus solid red and solid green. The high mode is 150 lumens with a 1-hour runtime and a light throw of about 147 feet. Medium brightness mode is 50 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and light throw of about 92 feet. Low brightness is 15 lumens with a 5-hour runtime and an approximate 49-foot light throw. Long pressing the power button activates the turbo light mode, producing up to 400 lumens for 30 seconds and a light throw just under 256 feet. The light reverts to the high brightness mode after 30 seconds. The KIP also features solid red and solid green light modes with a 40-hour runtime and 0.1 and 0.4 lumens respectively. This is perfect for times when dim light is preferred. The KIP comes with its metal cap clip installed. To use it, simply slide the KIP onto the brim of your cap. Adjust the position of the KIP up to 180 degrees in 7 locking positions. To remove the clip, tilt the headlamp portion down, pull back on the locking tab, and slide the clip off. Use the KIP as a standalone work light. Simply adjust the light to a 45-degree or less angle. Attach the headband to the KIP by sliding it under the long prong on one side of the light and then the short side. Repeat the process on the other side of the light. Then adjust the headband as needed. With its ultra-compact size, numerous light modes, and mounting options, the Kodiak KIP will quickly become one of your favorite headlamps.